So this was a pumpkin cake roll. Line the jelly roll pan with parchment, but I'm going to spray it first with Sprite. Like glue. All right, line your pan all the way up your edges. Let's just do that. Just want a little, to make sure it goes all the way around up the lip. And for extra shit and giggles, we're gonna go ahead and spray that as well, because I don't want stuff to stick. Pumpkin tends to be sticky anywho. So this was 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon baking powder, and half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of the cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of the pumpkin pie spice. And then if you have ground cloves, add 1/8 teaspoon to that, okay? This was 3 eggs, room temperature, and 1 cup granulated sugar. Then I added in the pumpkin puree, which was 2/3 cup. Hot cake comes out, we're going to get it inverted on here and then roll very quickly. So you really want to be ready for that. And just coat your fabric. Now I know I've seen some videos where people do it with parchment, however, but this works for me. So 4 ounces softened cream cheese, half a stick of softened butter, and my memory can remember. Oh, 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Okay, now 1.5 cups of this powdered sugar. A little vanilla, a little bit of vanilla, or you could put almond. Let's do vanilla. You could also do almond extract. That'd be good. The longer the better, but here's where a little salt. It's not going to hurt it, especially with that brown sugar. So. Now, like any other frosting, in my opinion, you really can't overmix it. So here's our pumpkin roll cake at this point. So just touch the cake and hope you get it out. Okay, it worked. That worked without a mess. All right, then get the paper off. Point is, it's hot. It's not going to hurt it if I go like that. And then start it as tight as you can and roll. Previously, I'd coated this tea towel with powdered sugar, okay? So now we don't have, it has to cool. What I did was I already made one because it's important now to let it cool completely, which this one is, before going to the next step. Okay, now you gently, it's completely cool. Oh shit. Oh shit, you better not stick, you bad boy. Okay, we're gonna get it off. Anyway, first we have to gently, and hopefully we don't get a crack, unroll and get our towel out. Fill it with our goods. And hopefully I didn't put too much goods in there, but is that possible? A little cracked there, but we're gonna roll him up. Oh shit. Ta-da. So So my fan is blowing it this way, so I gotta work with the pitch of the wind. If it's a display piece for the holidays. Set you over there. It's getting eaten. But then you can see the end of the roll there. Let me trim this one. And ideally now I'm going to put it in the fridge and let it cool very well so that that center isn't so soft, but it's just been mixed up and put in here. And I don't have a third one in the fridge, but I did do a little TV magic for you there and had one at least cooled so we could get it rolled or filled and rolled again. But it will set once I put it in the fridge. It's just soft right now, that filling, as you see.